Hey everyone, in today's video, we're going to see about how to build an Android app using Google AI Studio. So I just came across this particular app building the feature from Google. I just wanted to explore this much because I'm in the process of making an app. So just wanted to know like how efficiently that we can customize our design and effectively how it is going to allow us to choose a template, whether it is actually free or not. So these kind of things we are going to see in this video. So randomly I'm just going to describe some of my ideas which I have in my mind. Just for the video purposes, you don't have to particularly try this idea. You can explore much or more than this. Okay. Can you make an app for delivery? So for delivery, we know we have to choose certain restaurants for ordering food that we know. So how effectively this going to make, because we don't have any restaurants information and all. So let's try, and that allows user to track their order in real time. Okay. So that's all. I didn't give much information. I'm just going to start with this. So we have a few recommendations for designs that we can go with. So I particularly liked this one. So I'm just going with this. Select this one. It will take time to develop this entire app. Why I wanted to try this? Because we used to do a lot, right, in order to make an app. Now vibe coding, everything came. So this is also there. But when it comes to Android, I want to know like how it is effectively working, this particular option, publish, so that we can try in our own mobile phone, it seems. So that is a major reason I wanted to try this application. So yeah. Okay, so we have a application. Jerry, can you see the icon in here? I don't know how effective it is to say, but can you see the logo? I didn't give any image to it. It just created on its own. So I'm just clicking on it and you can see the menu bar. The main page, home page of this app. So it is for the pizza and French fries. You can see those things because we don't have any information on the restaurant, but we can just pick some of the things, I guess. Yeah. So home is home. Going back gives you this again. And we have this. I'm not able to click on it. Okay, so we have this thing, the whole application that we asked, the design part. Uh, Customization is available. We can just ask it to add few things in here in the chat and it will give you those information. So I'm just trying to do this, publish. So this app will not be available publicly. Okay. Publish your app to test on Play Console. Okay. So send your app to others when you're ready via Play Console. Continue building your app on Play Console. So okay, so it is directing me to the Play Store. Play Store in the sense where you can publish your app. One thing is in Play Store you need to pay $25 in order to make your application available for public use. That is still there. It is not free completely. You need to have the API credits to use the entire tool AI Studio. And one good part that it is giving is it is creating everything on its own. You don't have to have it in each and everything in your IDE or any other tools. So you can just directly have it in here. And we have like different platforms which is available. So yeah, these are the versions. I mean, the updates that we asked it to make, and so Git we can have it in Git also. So directly we can publish this in Git and see things. Yeah, Google AI, Google AI mobile app testing. Okay. You can directly check this on, and yeah, we have this. Hmm. So anybody can see or check on my applications which I made in here. It's in a public forum. So just wanted to make this application, but remaining things which still exist that you need to pay for Play Store or to use Google Play Console. And the remaining things are fine. I think you can customize it using your API credits in Gemini. So yeah, back then it was very hard to make an application from scratch. But these days we have like plenty of resource to make one. So I hope this video finds you well. That's all I have for today. Thanks for watching. Bye.